Mcclellan Oscillator. The Mcclellan Oscillator is a market breadth indicator used in technical analysis by financial analysts of the New York Stock Exchange to evaluate the balance between the advancing and declining stocks. The Mcclellan Oscillator is based on the advanced decline data, and it could be applied to stock market exchanges, indexes, portfolio of stocks, or any basket of stocks. History. Developed by Sherman and Marion Mcclellan in 1969, the oscillator is computed using the exponential moving average, EMA, of the daily ordinal difference of advancing issues, stocks which gained in value, from declining issues, stocks which fell in value, over 39 trading day and 19 trading day periods. How it works. The simplified formula for determining the oscillator is: where advances is the number of the NYSE listed stocks which are traded above their previous day close, and declines is the number of the NYSE listed stocks traded below their previous day close. Therefore, crossovers of Mcclellan Oscillator and zero center around which it oscillates line would have following meaning. Mcclellan Summation Index. The Mcclellan Summation Index, MSI, is calculated by adding each day's Mcclellan Oscillator to the previous day's Summation Index. By using the Summation Index of the Mcclellan Oscillator, you can judge the market's overall bullishness or bearishness. MSI properties. The Summation Index is oversold at -1,000 to -1,250, or overbought at 1,000 to 1,250. The number of stocks in a stock market determine the dynamic range of the MSI. For the NZSX, one of the smallest exchanges in the English-speaking world, the MSI would probably range between -50, +50, the 19 and 39 constants, used for the US exchanges, would have to be revised. For the NZSX, the MSI moving average mechanism might be needed to smooth out the perturbations of such a small number of traded stocks.